Welcome to FourieFamCam. It's day 10 of our 12 days of Christmas. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. I'm just chilling here with Coco. Oh yeah? Oh wow. Today is a huge giveaway worth hundreds of dollars. So you're gonna want to stay tuned. Our sponsor today is Sleep and Beyond. Now, we've featured them once before, so I'm going to leave links right now to that video so you can check out the entire range of incredible quality products. It's a family-owned business and they have sustainable factories around the world. These are organic bedding and linen suppliers and they produce their products in an ethical, sustainable way. These little merino sheeps are not harmed in the harvesting of their incredible wool, and 5% of all sales from Sleep and Beyond products goes to charity. The awards that they've won and the reviews on their website and on Amazon speak for themselves. So we're talking about a great brand, and that makes them the perfect partner for our 12 days of Christmas. Now, everybody's always saying how important bedding actually is. The choice of your pillow, the choice of your mattress, of your duvet covers, of your sheets. You'd never realize it as much as when you perhaps go stay in a hotel or go stay at a friend's house. And then you realize, oh wow, yes, there's a difference here. Have you ever stayed in a hotel where the sheets literally stuck to you, or were so hard you could break a glass on them? Or maybe it was the pillow that just had nothing to it, either too soft or too hard. Maybe you've even tried some expensive new technology pillows, latex pillows, specially shaped, weird colored pillows. It never works. Well, if you're tired of your bedding and your pillows and you're not sleeping well because of it, you're not the only one. Millions of people around the world suffer with this exact same problem. And that's why I'm so excited to share Sleep and Beyond with you. So, let me introduce you to some of their products. First of all, it is this wonderful sheet set from Sleep and Beyond, 300 thread count, and it's a wonderful 100% organic cotton sateen. This is such superior quality. Now, this is hypoallergenic. It's free from any harmful dyes and chemicals, and it has a wonderful ability to control moisture. It's really soft and soothing and relaxing. Now, this sheet set includes a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. So it's got basically everything you would need to set up your bed in a comfortable, soothing, organic way. And you can just see and feel the quality. Oh, it feels so good. Beautifully stitched. And speaking of stitching, the fitted sheets are double stitched in the corners for extra durability. Now, many people ask, well, why organic cotton? Organic cotton is made from seeds that have not been genetically modified. You support the local economy, you protect the environment, it's better for your health. Why not use organic cotton? Then with your sheet set, you need 2 pillows, right? Well, Sleep and Beyond have the best pillows and the ones that actually help me sleep every single night. I've been using them now for a few months. They have my woolly side pillow and my woolly pillow. Now, there's something quite unique about these pillows. Firstly, you probably noticed this odd shaped pillow. Now, I don't know how you sleep. Do you sleep on your side, on your back? Do you sleep like a little baby, on your front? I sleep on my side with my arm underneath my head in a very strange looking position, and I always battle to find a pillow that can accommodate my strange sleeping style. What makes the mywoolly side pillow so unique and helpful for me is that you can actually take the clumps of wool from inside the cushion and you can actually take them out. You can position them and adjust them to suit your weird sleeping position. These pillows are hypoallergenic and made from British Shropshire wool. And just to prove that this actually works, look, my arm fits in perfectly there. Oh, perfect. And you know what the nice thing is, I find with down and synthetic pillows, they often make me quite sweaty. You get like the night sweats. With this, there's a temperature control. It just seems like I like it like a cool pillow at night, and this seems to maintain its temperature and just keep me refreshed and calm and relax the whole night long. It's a perfect pillow for me. And I guess that's what it comes down to, right? Trying to find products that are perfectly suited to your sleep patterns, to your body, to your ailments. Some people have neck conditions, some people have back conditions, some people are allergic. Trying to find the product that perfectly suits you. And that's why you feel it when you leave home and you have what makes you comfortable and you have what you like. It's when you go stay in strangers' homes or hotels, you suddenly feel, oh wait, this is uncomfortable. Do people really sleep this way? And I guess it's like most things in life. You get what you pay for. If you're spending peanuts, you're going to get a pillow and bedding good for a monkey, right, Coco? Think of how much time you spend on your bed sleeping. In fact, almost half your life you're gonna spend on a bed, so might as well sleep comfortably. Now, can you believe that there's an anti-aging quality to the Sleep and Beyond pillows as well? The pillow manages to suspend the face over the sleeping surface, so it takes off the pressure on your eyes and your cheekbones, and these are the things that actually create wrinkles and age you. I've been needing to use this for much longer than the last few months. And then the other pillow is the myWoolly pillow. And we're not talking about my pillow. Have you seen my pillows? No, this is the myWoolly pillow. And I wanted to show you exactly how it looks inside. Now it has 300 thread count cotton on the pillow case. And this is the inside of it. Now, if we take the zip to the other end, you'll see it has these nice woolly tufts that you can easily just take out or put back in and position to your comfort level. Now, everything I've shown you up until now has got a 5-year warranty, but this has got a 10-year warranty, and it's the My Protector by Sleep and Beyond. Now, this has pretty much got everything you'd expect from a good quality protector. It is breathable, waterproof protection against spills and stains, excellent body temperature regulator, very much like their other products. It prevents overheating, it's naturally hypoallergenic, it is pet dander barrier, it prevents that kind of thing, dust mite and household allergen protection. I mean, the list just goes on. You can machine wash it. I love the way everything comes packaged in these nice, neat little bags, which we actually keep and use if we're storing any linen or bedding from Sleep and Beyond. Okay, and here you can find that waterproof inner that's going to go around your mattress. And something I'm noticing straight away is this mattress protector warranty, and they spell out and give all the details to that 10-year warranty, which is so valuable when purchasing products like this. Now, I know you're dying to find out what Sleep and Beyond are going to be giving away for our 12 days of Christmas. They've been exceptionally kind, and basically they're going to be giving away one of these Cocos. They're also going to be giving away a side pillow, a myWoolly side pillow, and a myWoolly pillow, as well as an organic sheet. That's quite a lot and worth a lot of money. So look down in the description box on how to enter. It is super easy, and with only a few days left in our 12 days of giveaways, you stand a fantastic chance of winning something pretty incredible. Thanks for watching. Hey, and while you're here, check out this video that we did reviewing some of the other Sleep and Beyond products.